Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Peptide Complex Serum by Eva Naturals, 2 ounces. Best anti-aging face serum, reduces wrinkles and boosts collagen, heals and repairs skin while improving tone and texture. Hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. It is a clear gel that soaks into my skin very quickly and with no residue or greasiness left after it is applied. It's not too thick so it doesn't feel like there's a sticky film on my skin, and it absorbs completely even in dead-zone areas that are oilier. After spending a goodly amount on drugstore brands or department store products and being totally disappointed, this is reasonably priced and does an excellent job. The pump is a little hard to press down, making the serum squirt out too far when it finally releases it. Slight stripping in some areas like around nose and mouth, but that's probably working and clearing up your skin. Being male and never putting stuff on my face before, it is soothing, non-greasy, and dries in 10 minutes or so. The lines are disappearing. Nothing can tell so much about the age of a woman than the lines on her neck. For the price, this is the best product you can find in the market. The serum has a gel-like consistency, and a little goes a very long way. It goes on very smooth and seeps or absorbs very nicely into the skin, leaving no residue behind, no sticky feeling. To the younger ladies, my best advice is protect and pamper your skin now. Don't wait until you are in your 40s and try to repair. Simple to apply, and the pump keeps you from applying too much at a time, making this product last a long time. Added 5, 10, 19. Almost finished with first bottle and love the results. Ordered second bottle, don't want to run out. It has a very hygienic pump so you aren't digging your fingers in it, and it comes in a dark glass bottle to protect the integrity of the serum. Nice consistency. Love the pump bottle. Appreciate that this is 2 ounces versus many products that are the same price for only 1 ounce. Although some have found it a little concerning that this item comes in a gel-like minor milky substance, to me that is slightly reassuring given that there aren't a whole bunch of stabilizers and other chemicals in the serum. Not sure if it is this serum or my galvanic machine, but the combination is fantastic and works perfectly on my skin. It shoots the serum out too well. It's best to pump this into your hand and then spread onto the problem areas with your finger. My face was allergy with other product recently made my face all in red and have some little pimples on it. By the way, it's great for those warmer climates where you don't want to sweat and clog pores from other creams that you put on your face. Okay, this here is the bomb. It performed very well in making my pores smaller and given me a dewy and smooth face. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.